All right, everybody, welcome back in for another deep dive.
Absolutely.
Today, we're going deep on meme coins.
Oh, yeah.
Specifically, we're looking at Trump.
Trump coins.
Yeah, Trump-themed meme coins. Buckle up, everybody.
This is going to be a wild one.
Yeah, so somebody wants to create ETFs based on these Trump-themed meme coins. And the kicker is, these ETFs are designed to double your gains or losses.
Every single day.
Which is bonkers.
It is pretty wild.
So yeah, this isn't just about finance.
Yeah.
This is about politics and internet culture and crypto all rolled into one.
Absolutely. It really shows how intertwined everything is these days.
For sure. So to help us unpack all of this, we've got an expert joining us today. Welcome to the show.
Glad to be here. Thanks for having me.
So let's just jump right into this. I mean, when I first heard about this, I was like, is this real?
Right.
This has got to be a joke.
Yeah, it sounds like something out of like The Onion or something.
Totally. So for folks who haven't heard about this yet, can you give us the rundown, like what's actually happening here?
Sure. So we've got this firm, Tuttle Capital Management.
Okay.
They're known for, making some bold moves, and they just filed to launch not one, not two, but 10 new ETFs.
Yeah.
All at once.
Okay.
And the crazy part is these ETFs are all designed to amplify the daily moves of meme coins linked to Donald and Melania Trump.
So like actual Trump coins.
Well, yeah, there are these meme coins out there like Trump coin and Melania Trump coin, and that's what these ETFs would be based on.
Okay, so I got to ask, is this for real? Like, is Tuttle serious about this, or is there something else going on here?
Honestly, it's tough to say for sure. They
Right.
definitely have a history of pushing the boundaries, but, maybe they see this as a legitimate opportunity.
Okay, so let's say for a second that they're serious.
Okay.
What's the strategy here? Like, how are these ETFs even supposed to work?
So these are what are called leveraged ETFs.
Leverage.
Yeah, basically they use derivatives.
Oh, okay.
Which are basically contracts tied to the performance of something else.
So in this case, the meme coins.
Exactly. And the leverage part means they're designed to magnify both the gains and the losses.
So it gets a multiplier.
Right,
So
exactly.
let's say I put $1,000 into one of these ETFs, and the meme coin it's tracking goes up 10% in a day. What happens to my money?
Well, because of the 2x leverage, your investment wouldn't just go up 10%, it would double that to a 20% gain.
So my $1,000 would become $1,200 in just one day?
That's right.
That's pretty enticing.
Yeah. But of course, there's the flip side too.
Right. If the meme coin goes down.
Exactly. If that same meme coin drops 10%, your investment would plummet 20%, leaving you with only $800.
Oof. So these things are not for the faint of heart.
Definitely not. You got to have a strong stomach to play this game.
And to make things even more interesting, this whole thing is happening right as the SEC, the main regulator for the stock market, has a new acting chairman.
Right, Mark Uyeda.
Talk about stepping into a pressure cooker.
No kidding. I mean, the SEC's job is to protect investors and make sure the markets are fair. So how do they handle this? Do they approve these ETFs and basically say, hey, Trump-themed meme coins are legitimate investments?
Or do they reject them and potentially stifle innovation in the crypto space?
Yeah, that's a tough call.
I mean, we've seen the SEC approve ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Right, which were controversial at the time, but now those are pretty mainstream.
So how is this situation different?
Well, I think the key difference is the level of, weirdness here. Bitcoin and Ethereum are established players in the crypto world.
Yeah, they have a purpose at least.
Right, they have a track record, lots of trading volume, and a clearer purpose.
Meme coins, on the other hand.
Especially those tied to a political figure like Trump, they're a completely different animal.
So how do you even value something like that?
It's tough. Their value is often driven by hype sentiment and online trends, which can change on a dime.
Right, it's like the Wild West out there.
It really is.
So what do you think is going to happen? Do you think the SEC will approve these ETFs?
Honestly, it's anyone's guess. This is uncharted territory. The SEC has never dealt with anything quite like this before.
It's like they're being asked to referee a game where the rules are still being written and the players are all running around doing crazy stuff.
Haha, that's a great analogy. I think this whole situation really highlights the challenges of regulating the crypto world.
Yeah, on the one hand, you want to encourage innovation and give people new ways to invest. But on the other hand, you have to protect investors from getting scammed or making reckless decisions.
Exactly. It's a delicate balancing act.
For sure. So what advice would you give to our listeners who are thinking about dipping their toes into the world of meme coins or leveraged ETFs?
I'd say proceed with extreme caution. Do your research, don't just follow the hype, and be prepared to lose everything you invest.
That's good advice for any investment, really.
Absolutely.
But especially in the crypto world where things can change so quickly.
For sure. So yeah, if you're thinking about investing in any of this stuff, make sure you really understand the risks involved.
Absolutely.
Mm.
All right, well, on that note, I think we've covered a lot of ground today.
Yeah, this has been a fascinating discussion.
It really has. So to
Uh,
recap, we've got Tuttle Capital Management trying to launch these leveraged ETFs based on Trump-themed meme coins,
Right.
which has raised all sorts of questions about regulation, investor protection, and the future of the crypto market.
Absolutely. And it'll be interesting to see how this all plays out.
For sure. And who knows what crazy new asset class will pop up next. Maybe we'll see meme coins based on, I don't know, famous podcast hosts.
Haha. Yeah, maybe that's what's next.
That'd be interesting. All right, well, that's going to do it for today's deep dive.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
And for everyone listening out there, stay informed, stay safe, and as always, happy investing.
Just buckle up.
Yeah, buckle up, because who knows what's coming next in the crazy world of crypto.
Absolutely.